Yo, it's your boy Meets 2 times in the building, Mr. Get Right or Get Left, and welcome back to another episode of Real Talk with M2X. This is the second video I'm filming within the span of like 5 minutes, just because if y'all watched the last video, I could tell that like I wasn't really motivated. But now that I got this little momentum going, I want to make another video. So it's time to heal, bro. It's time for me to heal. It's time for you to heal. Any traumas that you went through as a kid, bro, it's time to heal from them. There's a reason that you were addicted to porn. There's a reason somebody's addicted to any addiction they have, bro. Whether it be drugs, alcohol, sex, porn, money, gambling. It's a reason behind that, bro. And if you don't dive deep into yourself to find that, you're never going to be able to fix that. And you're always going to be relapsing on your addictions. So I got this little book, little package in the mail, and I'm going to unbox it for y'all real quick. I'm gonna put a link down in the description below where y'all can get this book, and I'm gonna throw in a little discount so y'all can get this book for a little bit cheap. But I seen it on TikTok, man. It is the Shadow Work Journal, a guide to integrate and transcend your shadows, bro. So I'm gonna just read the back for y'all. So the back says, unlock the power of self-discovery and inner transformation with the Shadow Work Journal. Integrate and transcend your shadows, first edition. This guidebook provides a clear and effective framework for exploring the hidden aspects of your psyche, known as the shadow, and transforming negative patterns into positive growth. Through insightful prompts, exercises, and reflection, this journal helps you identify and work through the obstacles and limiting belief that you may be holding on back from your true potential. You'll learn to develop self-awareness, cultivate self-love and acceptance, which we all need, and find a deeper connection with your authentic self. This book is a valuable resource for anybody looking to embark on a journey of self-discovery and transformation, man. Whew, that was a lot, but like I said, y'all, it's time to heal, man. It's time for me to actually dive deep into myself. And I'm flipping through these pages, and I'm not gonna cap, like some of them, like just by like I'm gonna just flip to a random page. Avoidance, like let's read avoidance. Motivation moves you forward, but what are you moving away from? What do you try to best avoid in life? And there's certain emotions attached to these things that you don't want to experience. You feel me? Already just a random page that already correlates into my life. I avoid a lot of things. I avoid eye contact. I avoid talking to pretty girls. I avoid confrontation, man. It's a whole bunch of things that I avoid. So I know this book is going to be good and helpful. I'm going to make another video of me, you know, actually taking time in this book. I'm not really going to share too much personal stuff just because, you know, that's for my own personal life and stuff. But I'll give a little review of this book, but make sure you go down in the description below, check it out, get this book for yourself. And yeah, like it's time for everybody to heal from their past, especially if you're on a self-improvement journey. This should be #1 step, man. This should be the step where you have to dive deep into yourself, and you have to actually see what's wrong in your life, what traumas you have, and why you deal with these traumas and how it affects your life, man. You know, you could have traumas where you're afraid of talking to just anybody because you were told shut up as a kid, or you're not worth anything. Or you can even be afraid, you can even just have anxiety, very bad anxiety because of a childhood trauma. And this book is a very good way of getting past all that, and you can actually start to move forward in your life and escalate to the next step of your life. And just do your journey, man. So with that being said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification, man. There's a lot of people that are subscribed, but a lot of you aren't really, you know, tapping into the videos as much as I want y'all to. But that being said, stay safe, stay motivated, and stay disciplined, man. I will catch y'all in the next video, man. Gang.